Welcome to the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into an epic showdown between two steam mops that promise to make your floors sparkle. On my left, we have the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop, and on my right, the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner. Let the cleaning games begin. First up, let's talk about the price. The Steam & Go is ringing in at a friendly $99, while the Schenley is a bit more expensive at $119. Reviewers of the Steam & Go appreciate its affordability and value for money, especially given its versatility with 10-in-1 capabilities. On the other hand, some Schenley users feel that the extra features justify the higher price, finding it efficient for various cleaning tasks. If you love to save money, the Steam & Go might be your best friend. Next, let's get into the cleaning power. The Steam & Go is effective at tackling messes, especially on laminate floors, as noted by several reviewers. It has adjustable steam power, making it versatile for different cleaning needs. Meanwhile, the Schenley boasts high-pressure steam that obliterates grease and grime, and many users rave about its ability to clean without chemicals. If you want to throw down serious cleaning power, the Schenley might be your go-to. Now, let's talk functionality. The Steam & Go is a versatile beast with its 10-in-1 capabilities, allowing it to transform into a handheld steamer. Reviewers love its grout and garment attachments, finding them very effective. Meanwhile, the Schenley, with its 7-in-1 accessories, is praised for its versatility on various surfaces, including windows and stoves. So, if you want to be a cleaning ninja, either one will do the trick, but the Steam & Go has that extra flair. Let's talk about heating time. The Steam & Go takes a leisurely approach with a boiling water setting, while the Schenley heats up in just 15 seconds, making it perfect for quick cleanups. Reviewers of the Schenley appreciate its rapid heating, especially when they need to clean up after a kitchen disaster. If you're in a rush, Schenley's got your back. Finally, weight and ease of use. The Steam & Go has a 20-foot cord for extended reach, ideal for cleaning those hard-to-reach corners. Reviewers have noted its effectiveness and ease of use, despite some concerns about the handle durability. The Schenley is lightweight with a 180-degree swivel, making it easy to maneuver around furniture. Both mops have their strengths, but the Steam & Go offers a bit more reach. Overall, both steam mops have their strengths, with the Steam & Go being praised for its affordability and versatility, while the Schenley is noted for its powerful cleaning capabilities and quick heating time. Users appreciate the effectiveness of both mops, but each has its unique set of advantages that may appeal to different cleaning needs. So which mop comes out on top? If you're looking for versatility and a lower price tag, the Steam & Go is your trusty sidekick. But if you want high-pressure cleaning and rapid heating, the Schenley might just take the crown. Let us know in the comments which mop you'd choose and why. And remember, always buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more epic product comparisons. Until next time, happy cleaning!